Hello, this is John Piper with the weekend video clip, and it's Sunday the 9th of September, and starting with the DAX today. The DAX has been the most interesting market last week. I'm starting with a triangle, which of course now is no more, in the sense that we've now seen a break below the triangle. So the correct count is the one I've been featuring on mainly, I1, 2 to there, and now 1, 2, and we now seem to be in the third of a third coming down. Which could see some rapid acceleration going forwards. The minimum target remains 11,200, at which point if this is actually just an ABC, the A wave and the C wave would be equivalent at around 11,200. But it's quite possible to see an acceleration of the downside and a much bigger decline. So let's go down the leg here. Okay, so the third of a third started up from here. Got wave 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then A, B, and C. So this move here is the third of a third. It may be time for a bounce. We've got quite solid support. We're back in 12,000 now. Remains to be seen. I mean, 6633 is short. I think about 4 or 5 positions at the moment. So it's racking in some decent profits. It's been through a bit of a lean period before now. And I'm saying I'll just go with that particular system and stay short as long as it stays short, I think. So although there is a case for a bounce, there's also a case for it's going to keep on going down. Expiry is now still 2 weeks away, so there's no particular reason to expect sideways action at the moment. Should have another week of solid action, I'd expect. So it's looking pretty negative. Alright, FTSE is also falling pretty fast, but the whole thing does look corrective. A, B, C, A wave, B wave to there. Now 1, 2, 1, 2, third of a third. Obviously the C wave can be much bigger. It's already pretty much bigger than the A wave. So even though it looks like a correction, it will still be quite a deep correction. Certainly there's a bit more to come here. Right, on the US markets, I'm not quite sure what this chart's popping into. Dow's still pretty stable. On the NASDAQ, we do have a possible impulsive decline. 1, 2, 1. There's a sort of triangle there. There's a third wave there. 4, 5. Complete 1, 5, and a 4 and a 5. So there is a possible impulsive move down on the NASDAQ. And maybe that's an A, B, and perhaps a C coming in. That might provide a shorting opportunity next week. All right, gold still looks pretty positive. We've got the 5 waves up there. We then have an A, ABC A wave, B, and ABC C wave, so a double zigzag. This could be new impulsive action, not a great formation, but an ABC decline here. So as long as 1190 holds, then we could be seeing a third wave come in. If so, the danger area is where this, which is $54, or $56, I think. Sorry, 54. So add 54 to 1190, you get to 1244. And that would be an area where A equals C if this is just an ABC correction. So that's one area to watch. So I say as long as 1190 holds, we could well see a decent rally next week. Right, for worse for last, Bitcoin has now broken down the pattern that we had a fairly positive pattern, but it's now broken down. So it's an ABC, a B, and a C to create a corrective rally. I think probably going to move down into the 5s, maybe test with 5,500 or even 5,000 perhaps. The only slightly bright point here is if we go to a longer term chart. So on the daily chart, we can count 5 waves off of the low here back in the end of June. So this could be a flat A, B, C, but the speed of this is of concern. Apparently the real news here is that there's somebody's moved a large quantity of Bitcoin into numerous accounts for selling purposes. The news about Goldman Sachs and the trading desk is a bit of a red herring, but there could be an overhang of supply hitting the market quite soon, which could drive prices down. Whether that's the case remains to be seen, but as far as chart patterns are concerned, there is some support around this level here. just around 6,000. If that breaks, then I think 5,000 is likely. That's all for today. I hope you found it interesting and useful. Back to the report on Tuesday morning for subscribers. Have a great weekend, although it's Sunday now, not left to it yet. And switch again shortly. Bye for now.